Cannabis Selfie TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD, no cable.
Perico manteca, 2 patadas, un sofá.
New York, Jamaica together.
I was inspired by this whole movement. So I want to ask you, what inspired you to make this for the people?
What inspired me to make this for the people? It's the people.
It's the people.
Exactly that. The question was to ask.
It's the people.
Yeah.
Cannabis Selfie TV. We here.
Starting this shit tonight. Yeah.
Where do you watch Cannabis Selfie TV? Or where do you see Cannabis Selfie TV?
Anywhere on my phone.
On my phone, TV,
Apple TV,
YouTube, Instagram. Yo, catch us on Facebook. What's up?
Selfie TV.
Cannabis Selfie TV. We are watch.